Episode 39. Today I want to try and get my I want to get the ball to bounce uh I want the ball to change its angle when it bounces on a specific part of the bar here. At least I think that's what happens normally. Like this could I don't know how original Pong works. Okay, hold up. I'm going to change this to 60. And I'm going to change this to, yeah, sure. I'm going to change this to 46. And then now it's actually like kind of a video game here. Okay. Yep, nice. Yeah, wow. This is much better, definitely. But yeah, let me think. How does normal Pong work? Like, is there enough variation here? Bruh. Is there enough va variation here to even be considered like, oh, I also didn't do that. Whoops. Uh, yeah, I forgot the bars can actually go past. The bars can actually go past the fudging edges of the screen, which is nice. Okay. Okay. So first things first, I actually want to change that. I want to make it so the bars can't go past the edges of the screen. And I could put invisible walls, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just copy this here. Okay, and actually I need to hmm. Yeah, I actually need to rewrite this code for the player bar. Actually, maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. Yeah, I guess I don't. Okay, so yeah, I just copy this. Actually, I have to copy this too. Actually, I have to copy the. You know, maybe. Do I need this here? Do I need this here even? Can I create a variable? Can I create variables in the ready function? I think I can. I think I can. Oh, and actually, I don't even need to do that. I can just do this. Okay. No. That's why. That's that. That is why I can't do that. Okay. So I have to copy this. And I don't know. Can I make this a global variable? Like global public? Hmm. If I put this inside a script, if I put this inside a script that's always going to be there, then that would create a global variable. I'm pretty sure. All right, so I'm going to look up global variable. I'm going to look up global variable in Godot. I just use auto load for global variables. Auto load, auto load. So if I do this, project settings, auto load. What? Uh, hmm. So I can add scripts here. Let me look at this. Make sure that during configuring the auto load, you ticked the box global variable, but it should be true by default. Interesting. Interesting. The only issue is that I want it to happen. I want it to set set the variable to a new value um, on every scene load or node load, every main node load. I'm sure I could do that actually. Get. Do I do a get or a set? Set happens every time there is a change in the
move
value.
and slide function.
Get happens every time there is a get happens every time there's a wait, what? Oh. Oh, I could do a get, I guess. Wait a second. Wait a second. What? Return chance times 100. Okay, I'm actually really tired still. So, yeah, I have not been getting good sleep recently. Um, what does get? What is this? What does that do again? Or I guess the easy thing to do would just be to set the value equal to something it when the scene changes. Like just have that in the scene change script. Hmm.
Put in
Let
the
me
new
just
health.
rewatch
Of course, we
this
need to.
here.
If we play, we can see that it prints to 0. Adding a we'll have a chance that is equal to 0.2. And then we can have another one, which is our chance in percent. We'll make this of type int, and we will add a getter. Here, whenever we try to get the chance percentage, we'll simply return the chance variable times the chance percent int, and we will add a getter. Here, whenever we try to get the chance percentage, we'll simply return the chance variable times 100. And now if we try to print this variable, print chance percentage, or change our chance to, let's say, 0.6 and print it again, we can see that our chance percentage is completely based on whatever our chance is currently equal to. And so it starts at 20%, 0.6. To get the chance percentage, we'll simply add a getter. Here, whenever we try to get the chance percentage, we'll...
Okay, it's whenever it's called. Okay, that's actually what I want. So, yeah. So I will just do that. And now I'm going to look up how to detect what part of a collider is hit in Godot. No. This is interesting. Okay, so this is apparently the answer? Is that actually... You can check body dot position in comparison to the tank dot position. Global position. Why would it be global? Hmm. Okay. I'll try that out. Alright, let me go into auto load. Let me make a script that does global. And what is, okay, he used return for some reason. Body is never used. Okay, yes, I understand. I understand. Okay. Global? Inherits node. Huh. Inherits node. Inherits node. Is that actually what I want? Do I want to it? Do I want it to inherit anything? I mean, it has to inherit something. Node. Uh, uh, I don't know, actually. Yeah, does it have to inherit anything? Okay, if I do node here, I can do node or object and empty. Okay, if I inherit this, yeah, you know what? I'm going to open that up. Sure, why not? I mean, there's no harm in doing that. And then I do var. All right, I'm probably gonna have to go semi soon. What is this screen size? Int, and then get return. Then I want to return this here. Oh no, I want it to be a vector too. Whoops. Vector 2i, whoops. Actually, why do I want it to be a vector 2i? Ah, yes, that's why. It's because this returns a what? 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I see. I understand. I understand. Got it. So there's position, size, and end. So that, yeah, okay. Okay, that's fine. Can I just do this? No? Okay, we got this here. What? Canvas item. So does this have to be a node? Okay, what? Get viewport rect dot size. Not found in base self. Camera. Identify a camera not declared in the current scope. Okay. E E E. Uh, sure. Not found in base self. Get viewport rect. What? What? Okay, not all code paths return a value, so this has to be returned. Okay, sure. But I want this to be the same for all. Hmm. I want this to be the same for all of the. And why did I make this? What? Okay, that's why. That's why. That's why. Get viewport rect. Canvas item. Okay. But I don't call this. I don't call this on anything. So that means it has to be up here. And that means, wait, what the fudge? I just want a variable that's global. Why can't I do that? What? It's a vector too. Bro. Alright, for now, I'm actually gonna do stuff today. I'm gonna get off very soon, but I'm actually gonna make some sort of progress today. I am going to um, yeah, I'm gonna make it so that the bars don't go off the screen. Okay, can I do this? Can I do this? Nice. Oh. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a manager. I guess. Doesn't matter. So, right, for now, I don't need this. I don't need that. And I'm gonna have to add a script here. And I'm gonna call it manager. And what is it? What's the rule? It's you're allowed to reference something below. I don't understand. Okay, I'm gonna look up why that's the rule, actually. You know, sometimes I open my eyes like this just to make sure my eyes are working.
A good example of adding a
That's probably really weird. Okay, we got
statement, colon, piece of will print who art thou? And if we set my alignment
call down signal up is the why is the rule in Call down signal up. Why is call down signal up a rule in Godot? If a node needs to communicate up the tree, it should probably use a signal. I don't personally think the call down signal up advice is particularly useful, not because it's a bad idea, but because it's an incomplete idea. I think it helps to keep in mind why you'd want to call down signal up. Strictly speaking, the idea is to make your scenes behave like nodes. Nodes can be instants anywhere in the scene tree and don't care what their parents or siblings are. Their behavior is encapsulated by the set of methods, properties, and signals they expose. Let me propose a different mantra that I think captures this idea better than call down signal up. Every branch of your scene tree should function independently of its parents. Okay, in other words, if you right click on any node and choose Save Branch to Scene, you should be able to run that scene on its own without getting any errors. Now, it may not actually do anything substantial since nothing is controlling it or listening to its signals, but it shouldn't throw any errors or require any particular type of parent in order to function properly. What? But if so I have camera here. I have camera 2 here as a node that can be accessed anywhere, right? Um, yeah. But is that not a good thing to do? Because it's going to give me an error if I try to play this, right? Since nothing is controlling it or listening to its signals, okay. Or require any particular type of parent in order to function properly. Okay, call down. Call down, signal up. That's it. We're calling down and signaling up purely to facilitate effective use of Godot's scene tree editor. It's not some deep principle of software design. It's a means to an end. If you can get to that end some other way, it's probably fine. And more importantly, if you haven't satisfied this branch independence principle despite calling down and signaling up, you may want to rethink your code. So that's that. Now to your point, what options do you have for preserving branch independence besides call down signal up? Okay, we got export a node path. This is admittedly really close to breaking the rules, but it sometimes makes sense to let your user tell the child node where to find a loose dependency. The built-in nodes use this trick all over the place. The animation player and animation tree are a good example. The key here is to have your script fail safe and check if the node path is unset before trying to do anything with it. Why would the command console need to handle a non-existent player if it doesn't do the teleportation in the first place? Okay. So call down. Call down. Signal up. I think I get it. Yeah, anything important that I use globally, I just stick in the global file. Normally, I would not do this in a project, but for my game projects in Godot, I like to have global access to my main menu, sound debug, enums, level state, etc. So I just create variables in my auto load global.gd file. Doesn't cause performance issues for me. So for in each script, set the global variable in ready function. Set the global variable in ready function. But why would I, what? Set the global variable in auto in ready function. I don't get this. I honestly don't get this. Like, why do that? No. Like, what would you be? Okay. So self. Huh. Okay. So do I need a manager? No. No, I don't actually. So I was doing it right. So this is what you do, and then you just put a script on the on whatever you're getting the variable from. And then set the variable inside the script. Okay, I guess I can do that. I guess I can do that. Yeah, this is far more complex than I had anticipated. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this. Then I'm going to get viewport. Huh. Yeah, so I don't even need to self? Is there a self? Okay. Yeah, so I have global. Let's open global back up. Let's do var what is it again? It's screen size. Beautiful. And then I make that a vector 2i. Nice. Okay. Now I can remove that. Now I can do this. Yep, I can do this. Can I cut this, please? Oh, okay, cut. Nice. Now I can add a script to this. Warning, having the script name be the same as a built-in type is not usually not desired. Whoops. Yeah, sure. This is I don't know, main scene camera. Sure, why not? All right, great. Create. And then we go we do this, except we do self. Does that work actually? Hmm. All right, now I can rename this to main scene camera. Yep. Then I can and zoom. Is this actually correct? Yes. Does it tell me? Does it tell me to use self? Can I not check and see what that is? Okay. Oh, it lets me click on zoom, but not self. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Good. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, so let me go to auto load. Let me add a this here. Perfect. Now it should work, maybe? The parameter body is never used. F you! Crash. I love crashing. Fail to instantiate an autoload. Does not inherit from node. What? Do I have to do that? Screen size is not declared in the current scope. But why do I have to do that? I have it right there. It's right there. It's right there. Why do I have to do it? Okay. I'm gonna look this up. Global variables. Godot. Bro? Alright, I guess I'll just go into my history, bro. Okay, cool. Godot 4,
Hello everyone, in this
global
tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use
variables.
global variables in Godot 4. For global variables, we need to make a script that will hold those variables that we can access from other scripts. So I will create in the file system a new script. I'm going to be, and you'll do 3. Okay. Now you got to go to project, project settings, auto load. In here, you can click your folder and find your script that you just made. And this node name is what you will call to reference this script. So I'll keep it at global. You can change it. And now, if I go create a script on main, create that, and in the ready function, I print out global dot that test num we made earlier.
Ah! Okay, sure. Nice. That's what I was doing wrong. Okay, great. So I have to name this, I have to rename this global here to capital G global. I'm just gonna delete that. Gonna rename this to capital G global. Okay. Now it looks weird. That is this font trips me up sometimes, bro. This L is so weird. This L makes all the words look weird. Seriously. No joke. No joke. Nice add. Poggers. Close. Nice. Okay, and then we got global dot screen size. Poggers. And now we just do this here. And you know what's fun? I don't even have to do this. I don't even have to reword this there. So now I can do this here. And now I can do, oh, nice. Now I can do global dot screen size. Dot y. Bam, bam, bam. Poggers. Okay, and now I can actually, do I need to do that? Do I actually need to do that? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen now? Nothing. Poggers. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay. Great. Now let's see what happens. Poggers. So good. Okay, that is a horrible angle there. That is a horrible angle. Starting angle. Yeah. So, do you see what I mean when I say it stays stagnant? Like, like the game stays stagnant. It's gonna stay at that angle the whole time if I don't change the, if I don't change the y vector. Actually, Yeah, if I don't change the y vector besides, multiplying it by -1 here. Okay, so player bar, let's do the bar here. Yep, that's fine. Then let's do bam, slam a jam. Yep. Then we do if then I can just copy this actually. What am I doing? Okay, then I can just copy this. Then I can just, or I could just make a function. Can I just make a function? Except then this would be different here. This would be different. So then I can do this. 0. Then I can do elif. Okay. Like this is, yeah, wow. This is so ugly, bro. This is ugh. Ugh. There are differences in this. Yes. It's y and x. It's y and x. Okay. Yeah, this is so ugh. This is so ugh. I kind of want to just, make this a global variable too. But it wouldn't work. I'm only using it one time. It doesn't matter. So the x part I don't need, actually. Then I do else this. Else all this. Yeah. Or should I do else not and then put this in? Does not. It doesn't matter. I'm sure it doesn't actually make that big of a difference. Yep. Like, I could just do... Oh, I could just do that. Then I wouldn't even need this. Yeah, screw it. What is CSS DBT? Oh. Collision shape size divided by 2. True! But if it's a global one, that would mess up a lot, actually. Sure. No. This is the ugliest looking code I think I've ever written. I'm just gonna do this for future reference here. Collision. Okay. Collision shape size divided by 2. Poggers commenting. Okay, nice. Okay, and then now let's yep. Okay, and then now let's check and see if that works. Okay. Okay. That is super epic. That's super cool. That's super cool. I love that. Okay. How do I do this? Fudge. Okay, this is gonna be okay, okay, okay. Ooh, okay. Can I do this? Am I allowed to do this? I'm gonna look this up. Code on multiple one code line on multiple lines in Godot. Okay, let's see. How do I do this? In GD script, you can use slash. Use 2 indentations on the second line and it reads as one line. What? I don't think that's true. 2 indentations on the second line and it reads as one line. Is that actually true? That might actually be true. Only one way to find out, bucko. Wrong. Okay. This is the other. Wow! That one actually worked. That one actually worked. It is forward slash. Because that backslash is divided by. Okay, now I can do this and oh. Do I need to put this in parentheses? Probably. Okay, nice. Now let's try it. What? No, that's not what I wanted. Oh, yeah, it's the wrong way. It's the wrong way around. It's the wrong way around. There you go. Now it should work. Bam, and I think it's pixel perfect. I think so. Wait, it's not pixel perfect up on this one for some reason. Why is it not? Why is it not pixel perfect? I see a little D. I see. I see a DD. What? Okay, either way, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching me. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. That should have been episode 39, and you will all see me tomorrow.